Hi, what's up, AMP holder, my brother? This time in the craft market, absolutely, I am really and I am very impressed from AMP and some more currencies now. But AMP is something very different and very special for all of you know. So therefore, I will make a one video for everyone to understand better now. And this time, my brother, the AMP price will completely increasing, but for some time the price was very badly decreased now. So therefore, if you ready to get a risk now, so kindly my brother, please my friend, please get a risk and get a profit. My brother, in those days a lot of holders they are starting investing, but for after a few days my friends they are starting selling now, so therefore they cannot get a profit. So my brother, please, this is just water now. If you want to drink a water, so absolutely available now, but if you want to get a profit, so therefore this all is going to be related with technology now. So AMP, my friend, there is a chance, so they will collaborate some currencies, some companies now, and absolutely Amazon is one of the head now. So my brother, in those days every currency will fails down, but my brother, absolutely we are also fails down. But I know to in upcoming time this all coins, my friend, will starting moving upward and they will get a profit. Thanks for watching. Holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Remember, to my prediction is going to be totally positive now. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit in upcoming days. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.